For everyone wondering where the PCV valve is actually right here. So your engine's there, and then you look, follow this hose, and it's connected to that hose there. All right guys, this is pretty much all you're gonna need. You're gonna need something to tighten it up to know when you're 17 foot-pounds. You're gonna need a 19 socket, an extension. First thing you want to do is pull this out and then pull up, and then you can see the valve there. This hose isn't actually in too bad of a condition. My socket down here, the darn thing has kind of a shake to it. It's pretty hot. That thing's steamy. All right, so I have my thread locker in there. So now I'm just gonna screw that inside here. So if it is a little warm, be careful. So we got that in there. I'm using the cobalt ratchet. It's pretty decent. I want to get the this always falls off. I want to get the Icon one. I'll be doing a video about that. And then I purchased this, so I have it set up to stop at 17. There you can see it seated there firmly and nice. I'm sure the guy replaced it. He was pretty good about replacing shit on this car. And then we have the hose. You just stick it on the top to transfer this one. So you just stick the hose on top of there. And then slide that there. Make sure that's snug. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'll have more stuff for y'all.